Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kenan Fatila. I am from Group 5, and in this section I want to explain about network system for school computer lab. My colleagues are Muhammad Yafi Gustaf and Surya Rifki. They will introduce themselves in a moment. Let's go through into this first slide. What is computer networking? Computer networking is a set of computers that are connected together so they can share information, such as sending an email, sharing files, sharing device, and much more. And next, our goal in this project is about implementing HTTP and DNS service. So network system for school. In this scenario, we have 3 computer labs that connected to school's main server with a hybrid topology. I'm sorry, I will correct this. Wait. This is not 3 network topology, but we are using hybrid. I want to explain it later. Okay, the server will provide HTTP and DNS service. The HTTP service will host a web server for online exam, and DNS will only handle request query to the web service. I want to explain it in the next slides. Okay, first I want to explain about the network topology that we use for this project. We are using a hybrid which is a tree and a star combination. First, why we are saying it's a tree and a star, because here from the server and this connected to a router here, there's also another source here. We call it as a tree because it has nodes and a branch from one source, and this part we are calling it a star topology because it's client connected to a single dedicated hub or switch. That is why we call it a star topology. And then I want to explain about dynamic name system or DNS. So in this scenario, we are having a client PC and DNS resolver, which is our school's main server. So the client will ask to the server, where is www.school.edu, and then the server will recognize the request from the client and find that address from their database. After that, the server will respond back to the client, okay, www.school.edu's IP address is 192.168.1.50. That's it. And then the web server, this is a small explanation about the web server. I want first explain from the browser. So basically we open our browser and ask the browser, hey browser, could you please open this address for me? After that, the browser will look into that address. If the address have a valid HTTP server, it will respond back the resource from the server into our browser. In this example, our school website source is looks like this example. It's just a demonstration. So this figure is browser showing the response from that address. I think that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Yafi Gustaf and I want to explain about the component that we use in this project. First is the server. Server is a computer that provides a variety of data, document, and other things needed by the client computer. The client computer needs a server computer to connect to a network or to request data content on the server. In this project, we using a server to host a web page. Next is a router. Router is a device that forwards data packets between computer network. Router performs the traffic directing function on the internet. Data sent through the internet, such as a web page or email, in the form of data package. A package is typically forwarded from one router to another router through the network that constitute an internetwork or internet. until it reaches its destination node. Next is a switch. Switch is a device that connects devices together on a LAN. A switch is essentially a multi-port network bridge and performs the same basic function as a bridge, but at much faster speeds and with many additional features. Each port on the switch is in a separate collision domain and can run in the full duplex mode, which means the host connect to a switch port can transmit to the switch at the same time that the switch transmit to them. Next is a PC desktop. PC desktop is a PC client or computer that connect to and use the resource of a remote computer or a server.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifki Fadilah, and in this video I will explain the scheme of our project. You can see on the screen there are 3 computer lab and 1 server room, and those rooms are in the same floor, so it's just a 1 floor scheme, and 13 PCs each lab, so there are 39 PCs in total and 1 server in the server room. And the network hardware that we use in this project is 3 routers and 3 switch in this scheme. And we applying 3 topology in our project. Each room has different network ID, and in this scheme we make those 3 computer lab doesn't connected each other, but in every computer lab connected to the server, so every client in those lab can access the server. Okay, without further ado, I will show you the connection test by running ping test and try to access local web server from 1 client from each lab. Okay, you can see on the screen there is no packet loss. We have replay from the server, so basically it means we connected to the server. And next I will test to accessing the web server. Okay, you can see on the screen the web server is accessible from lab 1. And next from the other lab, by running the same thing, running ping test and accessing the web server. Okay, you can see the same thing like before. There is no packet loss. And next, accessing the web server. Okay, the web server is accessible in this lab too. And now the third lab. Okay, as you can see, there is no packet loss from the 3 of the lab, so it means 3 of the lab connected to the server. And I will try to ping from lab 3 to lab 1. As you can see, the message is destination host unreachable. It's because we don't want the lab 3 and lab 1 is connected. We just want every lab connected to the server, not every lab connected each other. So basically, the PC from one lab just connected to the same PC in the same lab and connected to the server. Okay, I think that's all that I can explain. Thank you for your attention.
So the summary is computer network are the basis of communication in IT. It allows devices to communicate each other and sharing information. That's all from us, group 5. We are sorry if there any misspell or typo, and thank you very much.